Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a skirt. First, carefully examine your zipper to understand the problem. Is the slider stuck, or are some teeth misaligned? You'll need a few basic tools like small pliers, a needle, and some matching thread. Understanding the issue is the crucial first step before attempting any repairs. This initial assessment will guide your next actions. If your zipper slider is stuck, try gently wiggling it while applying a small amount of lubricant, like a graphite pencil tip or a bar of soap. For misaligned teeth, use small pliers to carefully bend them back into place. Make sure the slider can move freely over both rows of teeth. Sometimes, a simple adjustment is all it takes to get your zipper working perfectly again. When a slider has completely come off, you can often reattach it from the bottom of the zipper tape. Gently guide both sides of the teeth into the slider. If individual teeth are loose or missing, you might be able to stitch them securely with a needle and strong thread. For more severe damage, like a broken zipper tape, replacing the entire zipper might be the best long-term solution. After your repair, always test the zipper by opening and closing it several times to ensure it moves smoothly without catching. For added longevity, you can apply a thin layer of clear nail polish to any newly secured stitches. Remember, proper care, like zipping up garments before washing and storing them carefully, can prevent many future zipper problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.